Math Gad.
Oh, Math Gad guys, welcome to today's video in which we're going to be talking about yet again about the parabola. But in this case, we're going to be learning how to write the equation of the parabola when we're given the focus and the directrix. Okay guys, so let's begin. Now guys, in today's problem, we're given a focus located on 0, 4, and we're given that the directrix is actually on line y equals 0. Okay, now it's very important that we remember the formulas so that we take into account the values of P, the directrix, and the focus, right? Now guys, we are given that the formula, right, for the focus in this case would be h comma k plus p, and then the directrix is y is 0 is equal to k minus p. But in order to know if it's actually the value of p is positive, right, or negative, we have to be able to kind of locate them like in a sketch, right, to be able to see where they are located at. So the focus is going to be on 0 and 4. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we know that our directrix is going to be y is 0. So it's going to be the same line as the x-axis, right? So our directrix is going to be here. Now we have to know that our vertex is always going to be between the focus and the directrix. So our vertex is going to be from 0 to 2, and from 2 to 4 we have the same distance. So now we know that the value is going to be of 2, right? And that is going to be positive 2 for P. Why? Because our focus is going to be above our vertex. Now, we know that P is equal to positive 2, right? And we know that our vertex, as we have located it here, is going to be on point 0, 2, right? Because, again, it has to be just below f in x, so it's going to be 0, and it's going to be equal distance from 4 and 0, so it's going to be on 2. Right, so now h is going to be 0, and then that means that our value of k is going to be 2. Right, and we just have to substitute because we already have our sign of p. So it's going to be x minus h to the power of 2 is equal to 4 times p times y minus k. Right, so x minus 0 to the power of 2 is going to be x to the power of 2 is equal to 4 times 2, which is 8, times y minus 2. And this is going to be our formula. So we find the focus, the directrix. We see that our focus is above the directrix, so it's above the vertex. So that means that P is positive. We find the midpoint between the focus and the directrix. And there you go. You just have to substitute in the formula that we already know, x minus h to the power of 2 is equal to 4p times y minus k, and that is pretty much it for today, guys. So make sure you replay the video and make sure you get that formula properly. Okay guys, I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.
Check out these other videos to improve your math skills, and make sure you click that subscribe button to make the community grow. Follow ohmathgad in its social media accounts, drop a like, a comment below, and see you on the next one. Bye!